Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on a Chevy Equinox. So we're going to locate the air box, which is right here behind the passenger side headlight, and there's 4 bolts we need to remove. One here, one down here, and one at the back on the corner just right there. So we're just going to set the camera on down and we're going to get to it. I'm just going to use this flat edge screwdriver. I have it on a ratchet to make things a little easier. All right, so once all 4 screws are removed, we're just going to lift up on the air box here. And your air filter is right there. This one's a new one, so I'm just showing you how it comes out. So it's facing just like this. So once you take it out, grab your new one, square edge towards your windshield, triangular side towards your headlight. We're just going to set it in. And then once you've lined up the screw holes, you screw the screws back in. All right, so that's all there is to it. Once you're all good, make sure your tools are out of the way. Then you close up your hood and you're good to start driving again. All right, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful, and please like and subscribe.